Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the second question from exercise 9.1. A tree breaks to a storm and the broken part bends so that the top of the tree touches the ground, making an angle 30 degree with it. The distance between the foot of the tree to the point where the top touches the ground is 8 meters. Find the height of the tree. In the previous problem, they had actually given the diagram, so it was very easy. Here, we're going to start to learn how to draw the diagram ourselves. Let's assume there is a tree tall standing here on the ground. Now, it breaks at some point, and this broken part has to touch the ground like this. So, I'm going to redraw the diagram wherein the tree's top is actually touching the ground like this. So this is what I'm marking here. Now this becomes a right angled triangle. So let's mark the vertices A, B and C. So the total height of the tree is actually AB plus BC because together this was the standing part. So this let's mark as C. This part would have been the A and this is the B. So the AC part is bent down so that the tree is now broken into this part. Now the angle the top of the tree makes with the ground is 30 degrees and the distance between the foot of the tree and the ground it touches is marked as 8 meters. Now let's try to solve the sum. So we need to find out both AC as well as AB. Since BC is given, let's start with tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 is opposite side by adjacent side. That's the definition for tan theta. So I'm writing it here. In this case, it's AB by BC. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So let's substitute the values. 1 by root 3 is AB by BC's value is 8. So if you cross multiply, AB root 3 is 8 or AB is equal to 8 by root 3 meters. Now, this is not the height of the tree, so but we'll just mark this for now that we have found out. So AB is 8 by root 3. Now let's calculate what is AC, then we can add up. AC you can calculate as either sine theta or through cos theta because we have found out already what is the value of the opposite side. Now I'm going to use cos theta. So cos theta is going to be adjacent side by hypotenuse. So in this case, cos 30 is actually root 3 by 2. Adjacent side is 8. The hypotenuse is my unknown. So it is AC. So AC, root 3 AC if I cross multiply is equal to 16. So AC is equal to 16 by root 3. Now the total height of the tree is AB plus AC. So this is 8 by root 3 plus 16 by root 3. Since both the denominators are root 3, I don't need to take LCM. So it is 24 by root 3. Now to rationalize, I will multiply both the numerator and denominator by root 3. So this will fetch 24 root 3 by 3. So I can strike this out. So this is 8 root 3 meters. So the total height of the tree, please close down because this is our word problems. You need to write out the answer in English finally. So total height of the tree is equal to 8 root 3 meters. In the next video, we will see how to solve the third question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.